Most investors sabotage their returns by doing too much, owning too many ETFs, paying unnecessary fees, and chasing performance that quietly fades over time. But the truth is, long-term wealth doesn't come from complexity. It comes from simplicity, discipline, and low costs. By buying and holding just 3 Schwab ETFs, you can outperform most portfolios for 2 reasons most people underestimate: ultra-low fees and uninterrupted compounding. That's how serious retirement wealth is actually built. You can genuinely set this portfolio on autopilot and still stay balanced for growth, stability, and income. Today, I'll break down exactly which 3 Schwab ETFs do that job, their long-term performance, their costs, and how to combine them based on your age. ETF number 1. The Foundation, SCHX. SCHX is the backbone of this entire strategy. It gives you ownership in America's largest and most dominant companies by tracking the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Index. We're talking about companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, and hundreds more powering the U.S. economy. Here's what makes an index like this so powerful. It constantly refreshes itself. Weak companies fall out. Strong, market leaders rise to the top. You don't need to guess winners. The market does that work for you. Over the last decade, SCHX has delivered strong annualized returns of 14.6%, while charging an ultra-low 0.03% expense ratio. The only drawback is that SCHX is invested 100% in stocks. In bad market years, it can fall sharply. And if you're getting closer to retirement, that volatility matters. That's why it needs to be paired with 2 additional ETFs, one for stability and one for added growth. ETF number 2. The Growth Accelerator, SCHG. If SCHX is the engine, SCHG is the nitrous boost. SCHG focuses on large-cap growth companies, businesses reinvesting aggressively into innovation, technology, and expansion. This ETF gives you exposure to the growth side of the market, including tech-driven leaders benefiting from AI, automation, cloud computing, and digital transformation. Over the last decade, SCHG has delivered exceptional long-term returns of 18.17%, while charging just 0.04% per year. But here's the trade-off. Growth is volatile. When markets panic, growth stocks are usually hit first, and in down years, growth ETFs can fall sharply. That's why SCHG should make up the portion of your portfolio you won't need for at least 7 to 10 years. It's your upside engine, not your safety net. So time needs to be on your side. ETF number 3. The Income Machine, SCHD. Most people think safety means bonds or high-yield savings accounts. But bonds lose purchasing power to inflation, and high-yield savings depend on changing interest rates. What you really want, especially as you approach retirement, is reliable, growing income. That's where SCHD shines. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies with strong cash flow, solid balance sheets, and a proven history of rewarding shareholders. It holds businesses like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Broadcom, and other established companies that generate consistent income year after year. SCHD doesn't chase risky yields. Instead, it prioritizes sustainable dividends, which is why it has become one of the most popular income ETFs for long-term investors. Since inception, it has delivered average annualized returns of around 12.3% with a dividend yield of 3.9% that increases each year, all while charging a low 0.06% expense ratio. During market downturns, SCHD typically falls far less than growth-heavy ETFs, making it an ideal choice for investors who are nearing retirement and want both stability and dependable income. How to combine them by age. Now that you understand the 3 ETFs, the most important part is how you combine them. Your portfolio should evolve as you age. Age 35 to 45, growth-focused. You're still young. Time is your biggest advantage, so you can afford to be aggressive. Allocation would be 50% SCHX, 40% SCHG, and 10% SCHD. This setup gives you maximum growth potential with heavy exposure to innovation. Age 45 to 55, balanced. You're in your prime earning years. Growth still matters, but risk management becomes more important. The distribution would be 60% SCHX, 20% SCHG, and 20% SCHD. This blend smooths volatility while keeping your portfolio growing. Age 55 plus, preservation and income. Now, protection takes priority. You want your money stable, accessible, and producing income. The allocation should be 50% SCHX, 10% SCHG, and 40% SCHD. This distribution focuses on capital preservation, steady income, and enough growth to stay ahead of inflation. The strategy is simple. Buy these 3 ETFs. Automate your contributions and ignore the noise. If you enjoy ETF breakdowns like this, hit like and subscribe.